Hi everyone! Welcome back to the Daily Tagalog! Today, let's learn common question words in Tagalog. Let's begin. Ano? Saan? Kailan? Bakit? Sino? Paano? Let's repeat. Ano? Saan? Kailan? Bakit? Sino? Paano? Now let's learn some more useful question words you might hear in everyday conversations. Magkano? Ilan? Alin? Kanino? Gaano? Repeat after me. Magkano? Ilan? Alin? Kanino? Gaano? Here are some simple examples. Magkano ito? Ilan kayo? Alin dito? Kanino ito? Gaano kalayo? And that's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you want to learn next. Maraming salamat!